Hi guys, I'm going to be showing you how to use line to express emotion in your artwork. First, think about what emotion you are trying to express and imagine how that emotion makes you feel. Remember, how you use your materials can help you depict an emotion as well. For example, if the emotion you're trying to show is very heavy or strong, you can use darker, thicker lines and shapes in your artwork. If you're going to be using color in your artwork, imagine the emotion that you are trying to create and think about what color that emotion makes you think of. It is up to you. Different colors can be used in different ways. For example, red can be used to express love, and it can also be used to express anger. Don't worry about not being able to envision your final piece or envision the feeling completely right away. By using a worksheet or your sketchbook to create some samples, it can help you figure out what colors and lines will be more useful in your final piece.
Our first emotion we're going to be working on is the feeling of stress or being erratic. For this, you would use jagged zigzag lines mixed with smooth curved lines. The second emotion is frustration or anger, which would be a lot of layered scribbles. The next feeling is being relaxed. With this, you can use parallel lines. Something about the order evokes a sense of calm. Our next emotion is of excitement or nervousness, which is the use of zigzag lines, no matter how big or small. Our next square is to show feelings growing in size or shrinking in size. You can also use what you used in the other squares, for example, anger. Take the layered scribbles and start out smaller until they get bigger. For feelings that are growing smaller, do the opposite. Bigger to smaller. To show someone's emotions or beliefs going off in different directions, you can show this by taking a line that goes off in multiple different directions. To show feelings of happiness, it can be represented with swirls and dashes. Think about the sun when you're creating your art. And lastly, to show feelings of uncertainty, use jagged, rough lines that don't appear smooth at all. These will be a helpful guideline for your future artwork, but that is all it is, a guideline. Use these with the addition of color and your own feelings towards the emotion you are trying to express to create your artwork. Happy creating!